Career at market value. So the topic of today's discussion will be the chart building exercise of VAR modeling. This will be the last installment of the volatility modeling that we have started uh, quite a few videos back. So the chart building exercise will be fairly simple. It's just making charts and all that stuff. So what you could do is you just simply need to select the range that you build chart onto, and the simpler point would be to select the columns that are nearby. So you could simply select, say, date and price, though we don't need price to plot as a variable in our graph, but still do it in this fashion. So we have selected our data range, then click on insert, then line, 2D line, and you get your chart. Then do Control X, then Control Home, and probably paste your chart over here. Say for example, so now we don't need price, right? We will be needing returns, so simply shift this to returns. So there you go. Now a few formatting changes, maybe you could I mean, make this line a bit thinner, probably 1. Okay, so we made the line a bit thinner, and there you go. And probably the axis over here, we could move it to, say, bottom maybe. Yeah. And we could post this returns below bottom. Yeah, so you get your returns. Then we will be plotting our various simulation models in this chart. So let's save this first. So for that exercise, let's demerge this. We will be plotting all the 95 percentiles in this chart. Then again click on this chart, go to design, and click on select data. There you can see your data. So date and returns are already selected, so we'll need the historical simulation part. So select this till bottom, hit enter. Okay, and click on OK. So there you go. Let's see how it looks like. Okay, so this is how it looks like. So maybe you should apply this ranges, I mean, maybe change this axis, y axis, to a bit nicer levels. Say we will make the maximum as, say, probably 0.08. Maybe that would do. Let's see. Yeah, or yeah. So yeah, let's keep it that way. Close. So this is our historical simulation. Okay, so in this fashion, guys, you have to make your charts, and the final output, how does it look, I'll probably give you overview. So guys, the final charts will probably look like this. There is little bit of formatting on color and chart title and everything. So this is master chart normal. It includes all the models at 95% confidence interval, uh, and assuming a normal distribution. So this color, I mean the sky blue kind of color, is for returns, and rest of them are for the value at risk models. Probably you could see that all of the value of risk models coincides with the negative return. So that's the purpose of value at risk models, to forecast the loss prediction. So that's why they are below the 0% level. So same kind of chart, guys, you could make with students t distribution. So this is students t distribution. Probably your charts will look something like this, and there is a problem of overestimation of VAR at with students t. That's why there are more numbers of fluctuations, I mean overestimation of the negative returns that you could see over here. Then you could parallelly compare model versus model, which model coincides most with your returns. In our case, Parch was probably the best model, so we could make a returns alongside comparing with the Parch model. So in this fashion, you can go ahead with building your models and check them alongside the graphs. So that's all, guys, from the chart building exercise and the volatility modeling. Hope you guys liked the video, and do share your comments for the same. And with this video, we close our series of volatility modeling videos. Probably the next series will post pretty soon, and the topic for that discussion of those videos will also declare soon. So till then, guys, take care, and do share, subscribe, and comment down below. Thanks.